Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can fix the console not working issue on Dialogflow. For example, if you'd like to, test the console by speaking into a microphone and give, or use queries or commands here in the console. If that's the case, guys, let us show you how to fix this. So navigate to Dialogflow, and if you, for instance, are logged in on Dialogflow via Google Chrome and would like to use the console here in the top right, you will see that microphone button. Let me click into it. You will see this option here. Here, Dialogflow will ask for permission to use your microphone. So that's the first thing, guys. Make sure that you allow or click into this allow button here. If you didn't do this, that may be the case that your console is not accepting your entries or queries here, even if spoken into your microphone. So you will need to navigate to your site settings on Google Chrome. To do that, click into that site information button next to the URL address. And here you may reset the permission for your microphone to see that permission notification I just showed you again to give the permission. Or you may switch the button here, or you may navigate to site settings there. And here in the privacy and security settings on Google Chrome, you navigate to Dialogflow, you will be redirected to it. And here under microphone, switch from block to ask on default or allow, one of these options. And after that, reload the tab here, or Google Chrome in general, and try this option here in the top right corner again. Click into the microphone button and speak into it to provide your entry or query here in the test console. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.